I am calling this video my Dollar Tree Valentine's Day diorama because I got so many of the items in this display from the Dollar Tree. Starting with the tray my macaroons are on, the tray and the paper, Dollar Tree. The chest is from Dollar Tree, but I removed the hardware and stained it in 3 coats of my favorite walnut wood stain. The rug I knit years ago. The bedside table is from Dollar Tree, but I didn't think the design went very well with this wallpaper, so I bought Dollar Tree wallpaper and rewrapped it. The tiny vase my dried out rosebuds are in is from Dollar Tree. The beads are not. The jar my clay hearts are in is from Dollar Tree. My Valentine's cake box I made. You can find the full tutorial at the link below. The bed frame is made of wood blocks and popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree. You can find the full tutorial for both of my Dollar Tree beds at the link below. I made the bedding and I crocheted the blanket. The tray is also made from wood blocks I bought at Dollar Tree. The full tutorial for that you can find in the link below. The food I made myself. My friend gifted me this small container and it looks so much like a plant pot that I used it for this purpose. The flowers, styrofoam, and moss are from Dollar Tree. The red chest I bought years ago. The guitar I got from the air freshener section of Dollar Tree, but the stand is actually from a violin miniature I was gifted. The hearts painting is my watercolor painting on watercolor paper, but it is mounted to the front of a set of canvases I bought at Dollar Tree. And finally, the wallpaper is from Dollar Tree. I love it so much, I just taped it to cardboard. I'm not ready to commit it to anything. If I ever get a dollhouse, I will probably want to use it there. Here's a little stop motion montage of everything. I'm particularly proud of the crochet blanket. I love to crochet, but this is my first time working with crochet thread and a hook this small. If there is any part of this diorama you would like to see in more detail, let me know in the comments.